Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see your Instagram Reels analytics. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing would be is just to go to your Instagram and find your Reels there. To do so, you will need just to click on Instagram and after that consult your uh, profile. So let's just go to the profile and basically here you will find all your reels in posts. And since we are interested only on the reels, we will need just to click on the reels icon or the reels tab. By clicking here, we will find all the reels. As you can see here, we can see already the analytics for this reel, such as the views. So from here, we can already find the view amount for these reels. So as you can see, this reel has been viewed these many times and etc. etc. And basically, if you want more analytics, you will need to click on the reel. And basically after that, you will need to click on this 3 points icon here on the corner. And after that, we will be needing to click on View Insights. And basically, insights are just some simple uh, analytics, etc. So from here, you can see that it has been saved as this many times, and those are the number of likes, shares, and comments. And if you have a professional account, you will be able to go to your profile and click on the three horizontal lines. And after that, you can go to for professionals. And from here, you will be able to see insights. And basically, the insights would allow you to find all your reels activities, all or Reels insights. And as you can see here, you can find already the views. And in my case, I have no content available now or something that I can see since this has in these days. And basically, we can just go for last 90 days or some specific time, etc. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.